DoorDash is shaking things up with the most significant update to its advertising platform yet. This exciting development introduces a new suite of AI-powered tools and the acquisition of ad tech platform Symbiosis to expand off-site advertising capabilities. With Symbiosis, DoorDash is poised to help restaurants and brands drive measurable growth for their businesses. The platform already serves over 150,000 advertisers in more than 30 countries, making it a leading global growth engine for local commerce. The acquisition of Symbiosis will enable DoorDash to expand its off-site advertising capabilities across search, social, and display with closed-loop measurement. This means businesses will have greater control, clearer results, and new ways to connect with customers both on and beyond the platform. For restaurants, the new AI-powered tools will make it easier to create customized campaigns that deliver results. Restaurants will be able to leverage new insights to grow their reputation in specific food categories and expand their core customer base. They'll also have access to detailed reports, custom insights, and summaries across channels, making it easier to track marketing spend. Brands will also benefit from the new features, including sponsored brand enhancements that allow them to stand out to consumers scrolling in-app with engaging new creative visuals. They'll gain deeper insights and measure brand impact with brand halo metrics and track engagement and performance with video view metrics. The acquisition of Symbiosis, valued at $175 million, brings more off-site advertising opportunities to the DoorDash ads platform. This will enable brands to reach consumers beyond the DoorDash app and drive incremental off-platform sales with greater transparency and control. Toby Espinoza, VP of Ads at DoorDash, said, "We're building the future of local commerce advertising. With new product capabilities, AI-powered tools, and Symbiosis off-site reach, businesses of any size can now connect with high-intent consumers seamlessly. The future of local commerce advertising is looking bright, and DoorDash is leading the way." For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.